I had an idea, a small one, but I didn't know where to begin. The product was ready, but something was missing. I needed some assistance, but didn't know who to turn to. Then I found the Chief Minister's E-Championship Challenge. Launched in 2019 by the Government of Meghalaya, CMECC is more than just a competition. It's a launchpad for Meghalaya's most promising entrepreneurs. Each year, 150 entrepreneurs are chosen to pitch their ideas. Only 75 are selected to enter a 9-month journey of growth and transformation. In the Prime Incubation Program, they gain mentorship, national visibility and access to funding, business tools, boot camps, co-working spaces and market access. To support their entrepreneurial journey, the program also provides financial assistance through business grants that help entrepreneurs grow and scale their ventures. The top 35 startups receive Rs 2 lakh and the remaining 40 startups receive Rs 1 lakh in funding. With free co-working spaces, startup tools, branding support and legal services, CMECC helps you focus on what matters most, building.
Prime helped us believe in our ideas.
Only we made it click.
CMECC has incubated many entrepreneurs from all 12 districts, creating thousands of jobs and impacting lives. You have the idea, we have the support.
I'm thankful to Prime for the opportunity to receive help and mentorship. So join Prime today for a better tomorrow.
Presiden ka Meghalaya SSA Skul Association uba Aristotle Rembai. Ubalaishim mentah kini kejingelang habai keren kinong thok kubor ulong bakatrat kalai kejing batai kebabnia alor kisau ligimat bakentup kejing shimti Skul SSA belong try di Skul Shimet katulap ikina hikai SSA kejing pensyong nongrem ni Skul SSA bat Skul Sorkar bat halor ka cabinet memorandum pan Aiti pyniaid no Skul. Uba Aristotle uletho bakatrat pulih putih kalayo yang NOC naki arspa kandai pupratli Skul SSA Shimet. Iba penpau kejing lang kloi ban Aiti no ekobor pyniaid cak Sorkar jela. Union nongelam ula penpau ru kejing kemen bau commissioner bat secretary ula pentep bakatrat pulih putih kala dat penkre kejing terwa ya ketulap nekat pay scale na kebentakin hikai SSA. Batkan sapha no syakatnat finance bat ka kenun menteri ke sesong jingelang ban ajing menjur hadian jog dorbar senrai jog yang dorbar tawan kejela. Ula pentep bagatanat kelas sedang ya kekam ban pensyong nongrem ni Skul SSA bat Skul Sorkar ban ra anwa igino hikai ni Skul berentang hapo ispongut ki kena ki Skul bedan buon ki kena bat kini keseng gino hikai SSA ke kermen scam banang yo kubor shushu halor ke PSKL hadin balaplat ke kaipot jong ke finance commission ke bakat mrio
ila khod ya ka meeting ka bayde ban share ya ka presentation action plan jong ka government ka balapan kre bayde bakini ki south ki agendas ka bangi na kaliang jong ka association ni labo hakmat jong ka Sorkar ka banong kong ka presentation ki la share ka bayde bat report jong ka NOC ka ba nakaliang jong ka department ka layo priang nakini ki SSA managed school owned by private. The reports kabangi layo kalong kidon kumba aspa kandai po currently kini ki SSA manage private school ki bala ai ya ka willingness chungki ban hand over ya ka management naka SSA shaka government. That is point number 1. Kepada ibat ke agenda number 2 kepada ibat kajing dawa jungi ke association ban pentrai kam ya ka pay structure nak benta ketulop jong kino hikai SSA isu komen ba nakaliang jong ka diesel bentip bakila de penkre kepada ibat kani ka benta bat ka pasta menta tolong ba kin pha chapo ka finance department nak benta ban yo approval perhatian kata kin sapha saka kabinet banyo ya kajing menjur akabai dei ban pentrai kam no da ka pay skill nang benda ki no hikai SSA kabalai kadai akabai dei bat kani ka kabinet memorandum nak benda gitu SSA school ki bala Aya ke willingness jongki ban handover ya ke management na ke SSA sya ke government. Tingin sukmen ba nakaliang jong i commissioner and secretary ila pentip ba kila de penkre ya ke ni ke cabinet memorandum. Batkin sa pa sya ke cabinet hadin jong ke ni ke assembly hadin jong ke ni ke assembly session. Kemudian hadin jong September kin sa pa sya ke cabinet. Nak benta ban yo ya ke jingnim jor hakabaya de ban shimtino ya kini ki SSA school ki pala ya ke willingness jong ki ban handover ya ke management na ke SSA sya ke government. Kabasa pelong hakabaya de bat kini ki rationalization of SSA and government school. Te nakaliang jong commissioner secretary ila pentip ba ki babon hi ki district kila sedang ban pentrai kam ya kane bat ki babon hi kinong hikai ha ki babon ki district kila dep join shakiway pat ki school ki ba ka enrollment ka bon ya ka ba nakaliang jong ki DSEO bat ki SDSEO kila deploy ki ha ki tu ki school ki ba bon enrollment na ki school ki ba duna enrollment tinalor kini ngila ya kran ro bat ki ki agenda hakabay day bat kini ki ban rationalize kini ki school in the same campus and building kaya ka bangi concern kadong hakabay day bat ka jing disperse ni transfer ya ka salary jong kinong hikay SSA mo kung bapitip lada hakaju ka campus kidon kini ki deficit school ki ad hoc school bat ki SSA school dementa ka plan jong ka government ka long ban wanra no ya kini ki school haju kamut kini ki school ki function at the same building tingin ila raise ka concern jong ni hakabay day bat ka disbursement of salary in sukmen ba nakaliang jong commissioner secretary ila ayek usuran ba ka government can continue with the existing system ban pa hi ya katulog jong kinohikay SSA directly to their respective personal account wat lada ya kini ki school on March lang hajo kita kilong ki katto kan ni ki benta ki ba nilayo ban discuss pagadi ka meeting ba kaya ka bangi concern kalau yang iki SSA teachers de nakani jong commissioner secretary ila ai assuran ba kanom effect yang ini kan continue hi man pa ya katulog jongi pumpa kalong menta naka napo ka samagra shiksha abhiyan na office jong samagra shiksha abhiyan direct sa ka account jongo